Hello, this is Jalia Pettis, and welcome back to Beauty Bridge. On today's episode, we're talking all about the brows. Stay tuned. Beauty Bridge is one of the leading online retailers for all things beauty: skincare, bath and body, fragrance, hair, cosmetics, nail, and personal care products. Welcome back. So we are talking all about the brows, and I have my gorgeous model, Amber, who's actually also one of my clients and wanted some tips and tricks on how to better put her brows on to start her day. So if you know anything about brows, they help to frame the face. So I'm gonna showcase a few products that we're gonna be using today. The first being the Stila Felt Tip. This is a waterproof pencil. And basically it works really good for just simple strokes on the brows. And it also kind of stains the skin a bit. And what I'm also going to use is the Scone brow pencil. So we have a crayon-like pencil on one side, and then we have the comb, or basically mascara wand, to comb through the brows on the opposite side. And this is in chocolate. And then we're also going to use the Inception Beauty Pomade. So I'm going to use Inception Beauty Pomade on one side, and then we'll use the Scone on the other. So I'm going to dispense this product onto my palette and then use an angled brush to go into the brows. So let's get started. I've loaded my palette with 2 different colors of the Inception Beauty Pomade. And what I'm going to do is go into Amber's brows with an angled brush, starting with the lighter color towards the front portion of her brow, moving towards the inner portion of her brow, creating a shape, and then adding the darker color of the pomade, combing up into the brow, and creating the tail. When you're using an angled brush, you want to use simple hair-like strokes in an upward motion to mimic actual hair. And the gradient in color gives you that natural look. So if you are someone that has rainbow-colored hair, you definitely want to make sure that you're using a color that is natural to your roots. And with Amber, we're using 2 tones that are going to be great matches with her hair and her complexion. So I'm going to apply the Scone Cosmetics Eyebrow Pencil to Amber's other brow. This is kind of like a crayon pencil. It has a triangular tip, and you can twist it up or twist it down depending on how much you need, which is really nice. And if you notice that once you're going through the brows that the hairs kind of get a little wonky, don't panic. You can comb through it once you get done. So it's important to use the proper tools when you're creating a brow look. So I have a few of my favorites here, several different angled brushes. But before you do that, you definitely want to make sure that you groom the brows, remove any loose hair, and then you want to comb through them really well. And you can do that with or without any type of pomade. And then you choose your type of angled brush that you're interested in. I have some dense brushes. I have some soft brushes. I have silicone brushes. It's really all up to you. But the tool is use a nice angled brush, and that'll give you more definition and control when creating the eyebrow look. So to complete any brow look, after you have set the brows with a nice setting powder, it's always amazing to go in with a highlighter. And what I have here is Stila's brand of Opulence highlighter. This is a very cool shade, so you want to make sure that you're putting it on a tone that it's going to read really well on. You don't want to use any types of shimmers or highlighters on individuals that have more mature skin, because it's going to accentuate that. So what I'm going to do is load my brush very gently on one side, and I'm going to brush this in underneath Amber's brow bone. Thank you for tuning in and watching this episode that was all about the brows. I have to send a huge shout out to my model, Amber, for being so willing to be here today. And I want you to subscribe to the Beauty Bridge YouTube channel. Like, comment, and share. If there are any topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you let us know. Stay tuned till next time. Be sure to visit beautybridge.com to learn more about these fabulous products that we featured, and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Beauty Bridge.